What's up? So we're at my buddy's shop, Steven. He does LS RX-8 swaps, and he's got some scales here. So we're gonna see how much the drift car weighs today. Put down in the comments what y'all think, and yeah, we're about to make it happen.
I can lift it up on this?
That's what it's made for.
Is it?
Yep.
It looks like it's holding a gas tank.
It's not.
Man, I need one of those speed jacks like these. I don't. F1 parts.
Got my boy Rakeem. He makes videos, makes pretty good videos. Y'all need to check him out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How much you think it weighs?
I don't know, dude.
Let's take a guess.
It's got a lot out of it, but then it's got a lot into it.
That's what I was kind of thinking too.
Stock weight.
Let's
How
go.
much do they weigh? Stop.
Let's find out.
That's gross vehicle weight.
I know.
That's not even.
Let's Google it.
Huh?
Let's Google it,
Dude.
cause I don't know. I'll just drive it.
Rear. This one right here. Got wheel
Braking.
rear brakes.
I got what?
That's for your hand braking.
Yeah, got the wheel wood.
I'm a dealer for them.
M3 coupe, curb weight.
That's an iron motor in them originally too, huh?
I don't know. It's not a, yeah, it's iron block.
Right. That's what this one is too. What's the curb weight?
Curb weight 3175.
3175.
I don't know. I think it's gonna be about 2850. What you think,
I say
Rakeem?
29.
29. What you say?
Because I mean, like you said, you took a lot of stuff out, but you also had to add a lot of stuff as well.
27.
Think you
50.
dropped that much?
There's
Hold
a
up,
lot
wait
of
minute,
shit
hold on,
pulled
wait,
out.
hold up.
But I mean, the iron motor.
There's a bunch of cage.
Yeah, but that cage isn't that heavy. Because it's all chromoly, right? That's not an iron cage, right?
No, it's
So, I
chrome
mean,
out.
that cage probably ain't 60, 70 pounds.
I might need to redo my disc.
Do what?
I might need to redo my
I don't
disc.
know what it is, actually. I don't know
The
if it is
cage?
iron or chrome out.
Hold on.
What?
We're going forward.
Might need.
I might need to bring the weights forward.
Go ahead and hit the handbrake. Pull it up so it don't roll off.
It doesn't hold.
Oh.
It's not
Yeah, 'cause
made.
it don't want to roll off.
It's not made for that.
Oh. You want a brake depressor?
Hold on, let me put it in gear. I think it's in neutral. Here we go.
Right. Where are we at right now?
Rear.
We're
1500
1500 already. Woo.
But I mean the radiator and all that's in the trunk.
Well, I'm definitely not.
You don't have a low profile? No, I wouldn't. I usually jack it up from the subframe.
From the side frame? On the front?
Yeah, from in the center.
From the center?
Yeah, but my jack might go lower than yours. Maybe not. You go hit the sway bar a little bit, but once you start jacking up, it'll be fine. I gotta take all my 20-pound.
Based on the weight of the car so far that you've seen,
It's gonna be heavier.
it might be closer to 33. Because I think the front's heavier than the rear.
I don't know, we probably dropped 50 pounds with all his stuff.
Yeah, for real. That backpack is heavy.
But the weight on the scales did just go down when I picked the front up.
Oh, yeah. 1486.
Which one is this? Front left. Yeah, I can't believe how bad it was running off just the idle being messed up. Like, it's running way better.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's actually got some crackle and pops again. It completely quit doing that.
Oh, wow.
It had no backfire at all.
Are you ready for the moment of truth?
Yep.
Oh, buddy.
Dun dun dun. And it is 29:45.
Let's go.
Look
Not
at that
bad.
weight balance.
What do I win?
Win good luck.
Yes, sir. She's balanced.
Oh, this is left and right. This isn't oh, 51 and 52. Wait, that's not right.
No, that's left. They may not show both sides. You may just
Well,
have
no,
to
it does.
do some math in your head.
Mm-mm.
If it's 51 in the back,
No, there's not 51.
what's that?
52%.
That's called 130, 103%.
Oh,
Hit the actual exit.
Hit the actual to exit.
What is that? Oh, right there. So I guess it's 51. No.
No, I'm saying if it's 52%.
What is CR?
I don't know.
You're asking us like we know.
You're supposed to know how to work this thing.
Well, I went to the wrong one, I guess.
What, No.
Enter. Where's enter? Oh, right there. Direct key. Target. Compare. I mean, it's pretty balanced, but for some reason, why is that side so much lighter? I mean, you're talking 100 pounds.
I mean, you got all of the shit on this side, like
The intake.
all of that stuff.
The intake and stuff's on that side. He's talking about front left corner.
Front, okay.
The front right is lighter by 100 pounds.
I was just saying, everything's on the
Yeah, the
side.
intake and everything on the engine's on that side.
The turbo's on the side though.
I don't know.
blast heavier than the intake.
But I
Is
mean,
is
that
the engine all centered in the engine bay,
It could
like
be.
the Z is?
It could be. Because the rear is dead on.
That's good. I don't know. I mean, you got brake booster, power steering reservoir, regulator.
Let me turn it on and go to a different setting. There we go. So you're heavier in the rear actually.
That's a good
So
thing.
you're 47.9 in the front. Oh, I didn't hit that one.
What is it?
It's 52 in the rear. That's like a mid-engine car.
She's balanced.
Well, your cooler's right here, but well, that's pretty cool.
Yep. It's not bad. She's slim thick.
Well, I can tell you one thing. It's making more power than you think.
You think?
That means that you're making at least 500 wheels.
I don't know. I guess I need to get put on the dyno. No.
I mean, that's a lot of power on a stock motor with just a turbo upgrade. I mean, I think they say you can make like 650 safe, but I wonder what injectors you got.
I think they're out E1000s. Pretty sure.
That means, I mean, I think this is about the same weight as an RX-8 would be with the same stuff. I mean, with that much ripped out of it. My wife said she wanted to drift.
That really just made a pool right there. That was like the slowest pool I've seen in years.
Sad when you can't even tell.